What is this party over here? Hello, everybody.
Oh, who are you?
Why, I'm Alice.
This is Alice. I found her while I was in a tree.
I'm having quite a ball in Wonderland. What about you all?
Yes.
Who are you?
I'm the flower.
Oh, who are you?
I'm the Cheshire Cat.
Oh, are you the Jabberwock?
You have no idea, motherfucker.
Here's to having more children fall through our rabbit holes.
You're homosexual. Stop it.
She's doing her kegels.
Oh, her kegels! I can stop. What is this?
I'm photosynthesizing.
Stop fertilizing at the table. I've got tits.
Oh, sit down, Jabberwock. I'm tired of your shit.
I'm trying to make a baby.
I'd like to make a toast to Alice. Would you like some tea?
Is it that one?
Grab a damn cup.
You think you're funny?
It's a summer
Do you think you're fucking funny?
Yeah, I think
Do you
that
think
is that
this is funny?
We're out of cookie.
Alice, you know we brought you back here for a gangbang.
I'm going to fuck you like the bitch that you are.
I think we have an extra passenger. Oh! The sun is going down and the flowers are starting to wilt.
You fucked up bitch.
Are you okay, Flower? Oh, shit! I just want some fucking tea! They're having heterosexual sex!